Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you that how can you clear all of the constraint applied on all of the object present inside the Blender scene. For example, I have this, and all of the object has one constraint for each of the objects. But I want to remove this constraint for all of the object at once. It is very time taking if I remove one by one. So what you have to do, you have to copy the script that I have given in the description. And what you have to do, you can go here in the text editor, just click here and paste that code. This is very simple code. Just you have to run that. And before running that code, you have to select all of the object. And as you can see, we have applied this constraint. It will remove all of the constraints from all of the objects present inside the scene. So what you have to do, you have to select this all object and press run script. This will remove all of the constraints present inside the Blender for all objects at a single click. So that's how you can remove all of the constraints. And for more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.